Is Chillis Chz. Cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.10 and $2.39 by 2030. Market experts accept CHZ could reach $1.10 by 2025. Bearish Chiliz market cost expectation for 2022 is $0.195219. Chiliz Chz. Presentation. Chiliz gives blockchain-based answers for the games and media outlets. The organization has fostered a restrictive token, the CHZ token, which is utilized to drive its fan commitment stage, Sotheos.com. Chiliz has organizations with probably the greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Manchester City. The organization is settled in Malta. Alexander Dreyfus is the organizer and chief of Chiliz. He has north of 20 years of involvement establishing and developing online organizations. Before sending off Chiliz, he established WebCity, an intelligent travel guide, and Winamax and Chili Poker, both web-based poker projects. Dreyfus is a sequential business person who saw the capability of utilizing blockchain innovation to upset the conventional games industry. Since its send-off, Sotheos.com has quickly turned into the world's driving fan commitment stage fueled by blockchain innovation. The stage permits fans to decide on club choices through a versatile application or web interface utilizing CHZ tokens. Fans can likewise buy select product and encounters from their number one clubs through Sotheos.com's internet business store. What is Chiliz Chz? The Chiliz stage was made determined to give fans a better approach to draw in with their number one games groups. The stage utilizes blockchain innovation to permit fans to decide in group choices and furthermore offers awards for partaking in the administration of their picked group. The Sotheos stage is as of now utilized by a portion of the world's greatest games clubs, including FC Barcelona, Juventus, Paris Holy Person Germain, AS Roma, and Galatasaray. Blockchain innovation offers various advantages for the two avid supporters and clubs. For fans, it gives a better approach to take part in the administration of their number one group. It likewise offers straightforwardness and security with regards to deciding in group choices. For clubs, blockchain furnishes a method for interfacing with their fan base and make new income streams. Chiliz Chz. Crucial investigation. Chiliz is a digital currency zeroed in on fan commitment and the games and media outlet. The organization behind Chiliz is Sotheos.com, a stage that permits sports and diversion associations to tokenize their fan bases. This empowers them to send off fan token contributions, FTOs, which are crowdfunding occasions that offer fans the chance to purchase tokens that address their number one group or association. The Sotheos.com stage utilizes the blockchain innovation of the Chiliz coin, CHZ, to make secure, straightforward, and changeless exchanges. The utilization of blockchain additionally takes into account quick and productive installments between parties. Exchanges on the Sotheos.com stage are fueled by the CHZ token. The worth of the Chiliz coin, CHZ, is gotten from its utility for the exchange on the Sotheos.com stage. As additional associations send off fan token contributions on the Sotheos.com stage, the interest for CHZ will increment, driving up its cost. Also, as additional individuals utilize the Sotheos.com application to purchase and exchange fan tokens, the liquidity of CHZ will increment, making it simpler to change over into cash. Organizations. The Chiliz Group has associations with the absolute greatest names in sports, including FC Barcelona, Atletico de Madrid, Paris Holy Person Germain, Juventus, AS Roma, OG Esports, Galatasaray SK, and some more. Chiliz Chz. Current cost. Chiliz is presently worth $0.244023. CHZ has moved 3.45% as of now with an exchanging volume of $801,690,127. Chliz is presently positioned 37 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,457,826,299. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant CHILIZ, CHZ, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2022. CHILIZ, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. CHZ. The CHZ cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, conceivably coming to $0.366035. Similarly as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.341633 in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. CHZ is supposed to have a base worth of $0.292828. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2023. In 2023, CHILIZ CHZ cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of CHZ will before long outperform $0.610058. Notwithstanding, we ought to stand by to check whether the CHZ's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, CHZ will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.488047 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.536851. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Expectation 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.854082 and CHZ might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. CHZ is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.780875 and a low of $0.732070 in 2024. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Forecast 2025. In the event that CHILIZ effectively helps market feeling among digital currency lovers, the CHZ coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, CHZ will be green in 2025. The CHZ is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.10, with a base cost of $0.976094 and a typical cost of $1.02. CHILIZ, CHZ, Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the CHZ